What if your morning drink is secretly putting stress on your kidneys without you even realizing it? Most people don't notice kidney problems until the damage becomes serious, because kidney issues often develop silently, slowly, over time. That constant fatigue, morning puffiness, bloating, or low energy may not be as harmless as people think. But here's the good news. Certain teas may help support kidney health naturally by improving hydration, reducing inflammation, and helping your body flush waste more efficiently. And today, I'm revealing the top 6 best morning teas for kidney support. But stay until the end, because the number 1 tea surprises most people. Your kidneys work 24 hours a day. They filter toxins, balance fluids, and help regulate blood pressure. But modern lifestyles are constantly stressing them. Too much sugar, too little water, processed foods, poor sleep, chronic inflammation, and over time, small daily habits can silently affect kidney health. Thankfully, small healthy habits may also help support them, starting with what you drink every morning. So let's begin. Hashtag number 6. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins. These compounds may help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress, one of the major contributors to long-term damage. Green tea may also help support healthy circulation, reduce inflammation, improve hydration, support healthy blood pressure. But here's the mistake many people make. They add too much sugar. The healthiest option? 1 warm cup in the morning without sugar. And don't overdo caffeine. Moderation matters. Hashtag number 5. Ginger tea may help support kidney health by reducing inflammation throughout the body. And chronic inflammation is something many people ignore, even though it can silently stress the kidneys over time. Ginger tea may also help improve digestion, reduce bloating, support circulation, help the body remove waste. Many people say they feel lighter and more energized after drinking it consistently. But if you take blood thinners or medications, talk to your doctor first. Hashtag number 4. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic. That means it may help the body release excess water and sodium more efficiently. Many people use it to help reduce puffiness, bloating, water retention, and healthier urine flow may help support natural detox processes. But here's the warning. Too much diuretic tea may stress the body instead of helping it. Balance is important. And the next tea is becoming extremely popular for blood pressure support. If you're enjoying this video so far, subscribe and comment below. Which tea have you already tried? And stay until the end, because number 1 may be the most powerful tea on this list. Hashtag number 3. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants and may help support healthy blood pressure. And high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage worldwide. This tea may help improve circulation, reduce oxidative stress, support heart health, reduce inflammation. Many people love it iced, but warm hibiscus tea in the morning can feel incredibly refreshing. But people with low blood pressure should be careful not to overconsume it. Hashtag number 2. Nettle leaf tea has been used in herbal medicine for generations. Some experts believe it may help support urinary tract health and healthy detoxification. It's also packed with nutrients like magnesium, iron, vitamin C, and many people report feeling cleaner and more refreshed after adding it to their routine. But herbal teas can interact with medications. So if you have kidney disease, diabetes, or blood pressure problems, always check with your healthcare provider first. Hashtag number 1. Turmeric tea may be one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory drinks on this list. It contains curcumin, a natural compound studied for its potential role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. And both are strongly connected to kidney health. Turmeric tea may help support healthy inflammation levels, improve circulation, support detox pathways, promote overall wellness. Some people combine turmeric with black pepper because it may improve absorption. But more is not always better. Too much turmeric may increase kidney stone risk in some people. consistency matters more than extremes. Your kidneys work for you every single day, quietly protecting your body without asking for attention. And sometimes, small morning habits can make a bigger difference than people realize. So tell me in the comments, which tea would you try first? And if you want more videos on natural health and wellness, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the choices you make each morning can shape your health for years to come.